Bro, look at the size, right? This is like a cemetery or something in Sagaponak. Look at the size of this fucking house. And then in the backyard over here, there's a big ass garage, three door garage right there. And then behind the garage, there's a fucking pool house. This house is crazy. And then this whole, so you see it's split right there, so there's a staircase to get up there, and then over here is a separate staircase to go up top there. Bro, it's like two different huge houses mixed together. It's just crazy. Let's see. This is like the kitchen, probably. A little bathroom right here. A little bedroom, probably like a library or some bullshit. Another room here. Another room. Another room with a bathroom. I haven't been on this side yet. I'm curious what this side looks like. It's a small bathroom right here. That's probably washer and dryer right there. Big bedroom. Another big bedroom. Another room with a bathroom and a shower. Another room there. Another room there. This is crazy. Alright, this is one side of the upstairs. Entrance, little foyer room by the front door. And look at the size. These are the biggest rooms right here. Look at the size of this room, dude. The double doors to go outside. And you got this little area with all these windows. Another door to go outside. It's like a separate little entrance. It's probably gonna be a little deck. I don't know if it's gonna be stairs. Oh, fireplace in here. It's an interesting fireplace. It's different than the other ones. We got this room here. It also goes outside. And then you got this room here with another fireplace. And then watch this shit. Bro. Look at this, a whole big deck around the whole fucking house. And then a fireplace outside. That's crazy. This is cool. And then it's downstairs. I gotta try to be discreet with the camera. Hold on. Whoa. That shit goes on. The electric room, bro. Oh, that sounds crazy as I thought. And another little room back here, another room back there. Unbelievable, bro. This house goes 10 different ways. And there's more. And this one, there's a room there. Another bathroom or whatever here. This big ass room. And then these little rooms. There's another bathroom right here, double sink, big ass shower. And all the duct work we did today. Those ugly ass things.